We are going to see people benefit at a level of confidence they haven't had in a long time. Our inner warrior goes to emerge, and it will prompt us to stand our ground, fight for what's right, and protect people who cannot defend themselves, as long as we will get out of our own way to do it. Those who especially take up the role of guardianship and stewardship over others will find an invigorated passion to advise more on their behalf. We ought to see some pretty outstanding fireworks among those who maintain the power and people who don't. This will take place among families who have conservatorships, who are executors of wills and estates, or human beings who have custody and those who need to take it away. This will be on a small scale or small things that calls for legislation. We ought also take care to put attention to self-discipline. Those who are at risk of making struggle with themselves will need balanced attitude. Self-deprecation or self-harm way want an intervention. There is no weak point in asking for help or knowing help is needed. Sometimes a sparkling pair of eyes can help us glean a beautiful new angle. Mistakes are a part of life. Swimming in the soup of self-punishments over them doesn't help each person. We are going to be asked to restore what we broke, even though it is able to experience like an uphill climb to accomplish that. Apologize pass an extended way, and for a lot of people, apologize are what's left to offer. It becomes the glue that repairs connection that were fragile first of all. Even though humans cannot make amends, clearing one's conscious breakthrough the blockages that maintain them back. You are a warrior. You got here, right here to make a distinction, to be different, to convey fact back to this area, to help blinded eyes see, to help others come alive again. The conflict is actual, and it's been happening for eons. And sure, the attacks are real as properly, from places you did not count on. Maybe your environment were infiltrated. Maybe your family were used in opposition to you. However, you can't stop it. You can't change it. You are stronger than that. The strength is in you. Protect your energy at all charges, at any time. You are a warrior of God, a fighter with a natural heart, a priest of the divine, a magician within the highest courts. You are a traveler from afar, and at the same time the ancestor who has usually been here. The awakened man celebrates female as equal partners and is deeply sorrowful for how she has been mistreated and dominated by using male throughout the while. He patiently loves the woman's feminine power and lavishes adoration upon her for the goddess she is. He is aware of his very own masculinity and the characteristics that an evolved woman is looking for. In case you hold your eyes open, you will see increasingly more woke-up men discovering their genuine self and becoming the heart-centered masculine beings that they had been continually intended to be. This era of time may cause individuals who want to are seeking for out revenge against others who betrayed them. If viable, the exceptional course of affection is to just block and sever the relationships. Don't surrender to the ploys of the media or listen to those who then end up radicalized in their positions. Recognize who the actual enemy is, and most importantly, know what the real enemy is: department, oppression, and tyranny. This is a time to elevate above emotional manipulation and now not allow everybody to play games with our hearts or minds. The world is complete of darkish, hungry things that don't prevent to consume, sleep, or breathe. Their project is to separate us and destroy our loose will. You are the love, you are the fact, you are the faith, you are the way, and you are the victory. The key is within yourself, untouchable to all people who try to control the outdoor. You cannot control the outer world, however you can influence it with your divine strength from within. You are the magician, and you are the magic. You are the gateway to paradise. And simply as real as all which might be the rewards that await you, the joy and abundance, the love, the peace, the happiness, the soul family, and the victory. You are preventing for more than the liberty of an area or a place. You are fighting for peace of mind, for the divinity, for the highest of the best dares, for Advent, for the experience of life, for heaven in the world.